Hello everyone, good morning. Among various concept of accounting, before starting materiality concept of accounting, I request everyone, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you get my video at first whenever I upload it to get knowledge regarding. Actually, I keep the videos regarding management related courses such as accounting, economics, management related topics, and also the stock markets. So related to this topic, I want to elaborate this topic. Actually, what is the meaning of materiality? It is clear by its name whether any item has to be taken by the company as material or non-material. What is the meaning of it? Let's clarify this by one example. Clear? This video I am making from home, that's why there may be certain noises come from here and there. Don't get bothered from that. Focus on the topic. So materiality, here there are different items which are material or not. That has to be segregated by the company. Why so? By the accountant and bookkeeper. Why so? For example, you better know any fixed assets like land and building, machineries, furnitures. These are the fixed assets. Why are they the fixed assets? Because the benefit of those assets are utilized by the company for more than a year. What? Fixed assets are those assets, the benefit of which is enjoyed by the company for more than a year. Clear? So here you can take the example of materiality concept, which has to be taken in the mind of accountant or bookkeeper. For example, you take the example of stapling machine. Suppose, for example, one stapling machine cost around 100 rupees. But do you think it will be damaged or it will be not in use before a year? One stapler machine costing rupees 100 may give you benefit for more than a year, right? Calculator, for example, you have a calculator of rupees 300 in the company, and it is going to be give you the benefit for more than a year. So the concern is that the company is of having billions of turnover. Should that company consider that 100 rupees of items as fixed assets? Is that material? Is that important? Material means important. So what the accountant does, a certain policy is made in the company for materiality concept, like up to 1000 rupees of anything. Suppose, for example, up to 1000 rupees of anything purchased has to be considered as expenses. That has to be written off within a year. That should not go next year. They are not fixed assets. Clear? So the small items, if they are regarded as fixed assets for long period of time, it becomes so hectic and immaterial for the company. So which items are material? And this is based on volume of the company, turnover of the company, transactions of the company. It defines the materiality of any item, any expenses, whether it has to be treated as fixed assets or expenses. Thank you all of you. Again, I repeat, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to have the knowledge of management related subjects and also the stock market. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.